Alright, good afternoon everybody. This is going to be a what's in your pocket today. This, hands down, is my favorite folding pocket knife. This is a Mannix 2 XL Spyderco given to me by Steve Guerrera, and I love it. I love it. Anybody that's a Spyderco fan, if you don't have the Mannix, you are definitely missing out. This thing is just Yoda sharp. S30VN, CPM S30V, excuse me. It's just such a sweet folder. I love the black G10. Just deploys really well. Spidey flicks like a boss. Just drops shut. It's butter smooth. Then the Spyderco Absolute. This is a wicked long blade folder. I really love this one. I got this by recommend of Rusty Knife Lover. Told him I wanted some Spydercos with a really long blade. He recommended this one, and I saw it and grabbed it up. I really like it. It's cool. Got my little skull lanyard on it, and it is butter smooth. Wicked folder. My pro-tec godson. This thing is oh so gnarly, and it has a tip. Trying to get the camera to look at that freaking tip, man. That is brutal. 154 CPM. Awesome steel on this knife. This was a gift from Steve Guerrera. I would not take anything for this. This is my coolest automatic. Stays in my gun safe. Awesome. And last but not least, the Kershaw Launch 8. This thing is so sweet. Wide Hines had ordered him one. He showed me a picture of his. His is teal blue with carbon fiber inlay. The local shop here didn't have that model, but they did have this one, and I had to have it, and I am so glad I did. 3.5 inch blade. This thing is gnarly. Look at that tip. If I can get it to come in. It's just such a brutal tip on this thing. Awesome knife. Again, 154 CPM. Diskin design. 7180. All right. Hope everybody's having a good one. Let's see them autos and let's see them folders, fellas. Y'all have a good one.